As we saw in the previous tutorial, the Alpaca API structure contains three APIs: the broker, market data, and trading. In the previous tutorial, we used the trading API to submit orders with our trading account. Before moving on to the market data API, I want to show you a common mistake that we commit on the trading API. Going back to the Python code, we declare the API key and secret. The trading API always follows the same procedure. First, authenticate the client, prepare the order, and submit the order to open the position. In this case, we will buy one share of the SPY, which is the SP500, an index that represents the performance of the 500 largest companies in the United States. We execute. The outputs will tell us the submitted order information, whose status is accepted. In the trading API, after submitting an order to open a position, we usually close the position. Later, we close the position to get some profit on the operation. The Python code to do this is within the client trading. We look for close position. They ask for the symbol or asset ID, which is the SPY. If I execute right now, I will get an error because we don't have any position yet on the SPY. This happens because even though the operation we previously submitted was accepted, it wasn't filled. Today is Sunday and the stock market is not open. In short, remember that you can close a position once it is filled. Now let's move on with the market data API.